Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. In my previous video, Heltec V3 ESP32 LoRa OLED step-by-step, we learned how to use the latest Heltec LoRa board, the version 3 board. And in my video before that called The Best LoRa Settings, we actually found this cool LoRa calculator made by Semtech, the maker of the chips that do the LoRa transmission. In any of my previous range testing attempts, I had difficulty developing line-of-sight scenarios greater than a half a mile in an urban setting around my neighborhood here. Testing with the XB radio, the HiLetgo LoRa board, or the Heltec LoRa board, yeah, about the best I could do was a half-mile range. I don't think it's really a limitation of the radio so much as it's just hard to find a line of sight in an urban setting around my neighborhood. So we're going to see if we can do better than that this time. Yeah, this is the Wi-Fi LoRa 32 V3 factory test sketch that we found in the previous video, and it exposes all of the various parameters used by LoRa. So I figured if I was going to go to the max, what I learned about from my previous videos, I was going to set the frequency to 915 Hertz. We got 21 decibels as the maximum output power according to the LoRa standard. You want the LoRa bandwidth to be the lowest. And I increased the spread factor from 7 to 9. I think that will still allow me to have the correct packet size. Set the coding rate to 4, which is going to increase the accuracy. If you reduce the bandwidth, you want to increase the accuracy. Yeah, here's that LoRa calculator. Alright, so spread factor 9, bandwidth 125. Yeah, I'm trying to determine my link budget here. Coding rate at 4. We're going to set our frequency to 915. And I'm going to set that transmit power. I'll set it to 21, but as you see, the calculator flips it back to 20. You know, and I think Semtech's trying to tell me something about these chips will only support 20. There you can see that link budget's 149, and this calculator is good for any of those Semtech products, 1272, 1273, 1276, and 1277. So I'm going to take the hint here and go back and set my transmit power to 20 because sometimes if you go outside the range of something, you get the default. Yeah, see, it won't let me set it to 21. So we'll go back into the sketch, set this to 20, and we're going to go ahead and upload to those Heltec V3 LoRa boards. Again, we're going to have a link budget of 149 decibels. Okay, so this first test, I had my friend Bill helping me here. Here he is at his point. This is at the top of the hill. This is on Sunrise in Tucson, Arizona. You could hardly see all the way to the other end there. Yep, there's the coordinates. 3230 9048 by 110 84 86 26. And I'm at the other end of Sunrise. It dead ends there at, it says North Pantano Road. I thought it was Sabino Canyon Road or something. Yep, so that's where my friend Bill is, top of the hill. And I'm down there on Sunrise. Let's get rid of these markers so we can see the distance. And the measured distance between those 2 points is 1.43 miles. So this was our first attempt. Okay, so here I am on my end. Wow, you can see the RSSI is at 111, 112. So we had a link budget of 149. I've used 100 or 11 or 112, but we are getting that signal over that 1.43 miles. So I'm going to head back to my friend now. Oh yeah, this is the next scenario. Here's my friend Bill again. He's across the street from the Sonic at Pantano Road and Golf Links. That's 32 19 21 90 by 110 82 34 02. Those are the GPS coordinates. Alright, you see that on the map here. 7901 East Golf Links. And I'm at 9170 East Golf Links. This is Hearthstone and Golf Links. We clear that out and we can see that distance is 1.55 miles, so over a mile and a half. Yeah, it's funny. I've lived in Tucson for a long time, and you think of it as flat, but when you stop and you're trying to develop line of sight scenarios in the city, nothing's flat here. You know, you can go maybe a mile, mile and a half. This looked like I'd pull off 2 miles, but some reason I stopped short on Saturday morning. Yeah, there's my coordinates, 32, 19, 15, 41, minus 110, 79, 67, 36. That's at Hearthstone and Golf Links. Wow, the RSSI is right around, what is that? 102. Wow, so I have almost 47 decibels available of link budget still. And so I'm getting that signal. If you were to look to where Bill is, you can't see it from here. So that was cool. We got over a mile and a half, more than 3 times any of my previous tests. So I'm really happy about that. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. And before you go watch more of my LoRa videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.